What's wrong with the world, mama? Get driven like they got gold, mama. I think the whole world addicted to the drama. Only attracted to things that bring the trauma. Overseas, yeah, we trying to stop terror, but we still got terrorists here living in the USA, the big CIA, the blood of the Crips, and the KKK. But if you don't have love for your own race, then you only need space to discriminate and to discriminate only generation.
Come out and this thing
madness is what you demonstrate, and that's exactly how anger works and operates. Nigga gotta have love that you set it straight. Take control of your mind and meditate. Let your soul gravitate to the love, y'all.
Killing people, dying, children hurt, hated, and crying. When you practice what you preach, what you preach,
Selfishness, gotta follow with the wrong direction. Wrong information always shown by the media. Negative images is the main criteria. Infecting the young minds faster than bacteria. Just wanna act like what they see in the city. Whatever happened to the values of humanity? Whatever happened to the fairness and equality? Instead of spreading love, we're spreading animosity. Lack of understanding is the reason why. Snow in the rise, sometimes I'm feeling under. Gotta keep my faith alive. This sing with me, y'all.
One world, we only got one world, that's all we got.